Are you a business owner, a freelancer, or an agency? Do you know there are 6.3 billion active mobile devices worldwide, which is 80% of the world population switching to mobile? Having a mobile application of your business can connect you to that 80% of customers, as their comfort. Building business applications can involve time, money, regular maintenance, and endless hours of IT management. One has to handle code conflicts, deal with repetitive tasks, and take care of a lot of headaches that come with it. Whether you're from e-commerce, marketing, technology, or media, time is precious and you don't want to spend all your time in long coding projects that can cost both time and money. With Twinr, we can convert your website into a mobile application in less than 24 hours without any coding. All you have to do is enter your website's URL, customize, preview it in real time, add features such as push notifications, and publish it on App Store. All this without the trouble of launching a separate version every time you update. Transform your application idea into reality without any coding for free today with Twinr.
Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account on Twinr portal. Go to builder.twinr.dev and click on create an account. Then here you can enter your full name, email address, and password. Then click on continue. That's it. Your account is created now. You can use the same credential to sign into the portal. Let's give the same ID and password. Then click on continue. So you are successfully signed in now and you can see the Twinr dashboard here. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. In this video, I will show you how to preview your application in real device. This is Twinr portal dashboard and let's say I want to preview my application e-commercely. Let's click on it and then you can see here download preview app. Click on it and then you can download this application in your mobile device. Let's download it and open it. And then you can see the sign in page. So sign in to your account and you can see the list of application you have made. Let's check the preview for e-commercely. You can see the preview here. Let's try to make any changes and preview in the app. So let's try to change the home tab name from home test to home. Let's go to portal and screens and then home test. Let's change it to home now and save it as a draft. Let's refresh it on previewer and you can see it is changed as home. So you can preview any changes you have made in this previewer app. So try it now and contact our support team for any questions. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a new app. First, sign into your account and then click on the create new app. Here, enter your website URL and then give the application name. Select an industry of your website and then select a website platform on which your website is built. And then click on the build app. So your app is created and you can see it on your dashboard. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome to Twinr. Today I will talk about the benefits of using Twinr platform to convert your website into a native iOS and Android mobile app. We convert your responsive website into a mobile application in just few hours. Yes, you hear that correct. Not days, not months, in just few hours. We will make sure to launch your business presence on mobile platforms in no time. Another benefit of using Twinr is no maintenance. You just need to maintain your existing website code and that's it. Your app updates automatically when your website is updated. Your mobile apps will be built upon Twinr and its maintenance will be our responsibility. So it will save your cost and time. By using Twinr, your web and mobile platforms will have consistent user experience. All the features are delivered seamlessly across channels. We ensure your customers can enjoy a consistent experience on web, mobile, and tablet devices. At the same time, Twinr enables you to add custom features and modules that are missing on your website. Let me show you an example. This is an e-commerce website. I have converted it into an iOS application using Twinr. Here you can see how this website looks like in mobile browser. Whereas in iOS app, we have implemented custom navigation. You can bring your most important pages to the front of the app by using tab navigation. Also, you can convert important web page actions into buttons, so users can find it easily. For example, filter option on the shopping page. It's hard to find the filter button here, so we provide a way to map native buttons to the web page actions to mimic the word. All this will be provided by Twinr very easily. We support a lot more other features such as push notification, biometric authentication, barcode scanner, and much more. To add more, you can easily show, hide, or customize web page while it is being displayed in the app. For example, in the application, we are hiding few elements from the web page, such as we are hiding footer in the app, while the website still has it. Now, let me tell you how mobile app can help your business to engage customers. You can unlock the power of mobile marketing by integrating push notifications in the app. Sending personalized push notifications will help you provide related content to your users. It will make your marketing efforts worthy. And last but not the least is reusability. You have already put a lot of work in getting your website looking ace. So why reinvent the wheel? Your website can be the base for your app building. Just use Twinr to expand your mobile presence. You can read more about us at twinr.dev. You can also book a free demo from our website. Please contact us in case you have any questions. Thank you.